For over 4 years, CIRAMM has contributed to bridge innovation gaps for our partners with the support of advanced instruments and machines meant to identify, visualize, and characterize the qualities or condition of materials. Our mission at CIRAMM is to develop innovative material solutions that address pressing industrial and environmental challenges.
The primary advantage of a membrane-based solution for separation processes is its ability to operate continuously under stable process conditions. It is considered a passive element in the separation process and does not require any direct controls. In contrast, many conventional CO2 capture technologies rely on active cyclical variations, such as temperature or pressure swings, which typically increase energy consumption. This research project also utilizes a specialized polymer that exhibits exceptional chemical resistance and high temperature stability, making it well suited for a broader range of applications. Traditional membrane materials often have limited operating ranges, restricting their applicability for CO2 capture. This innovative approach overcomes those limitations, enhancing efficiency and feasibility.
The Center for Innovation and Research in Advanced Manufacturing and Materials at SAIT helps partners advance solutions to address society's biggest challenges. Through our partnership with Whitefox Technologies, CIRAMM is developing cutting-edge membrane technology to revolutionize carbon capture and create a cleaner future. Across 4 labs with a team of highly qualified personnel, cutting-edge equipment, and support from SAIT's Applied Research and Innovation Services Hub, CIRAMM is well positioned to assist partners. Our work includes short-term projects responding to immediate research and development goals, as well as long-term funded applied research to advance emerging innovations.
Through meaningful collaboration, CIRAMM provides industry with applied research support to advance scalable solutions.